Did you know that the baby products market is continuously growing not only in India but also globally? Moreover, this baby product sector is one of the most stable and profitable markets. Yes, this market is not only for diapers and baby food, but also includes toys, clothes, and beauty products. Moreover, today's parents are always ready to spend on quality products for their children, due to which this sector is expected to reach 475 billion US dollars by 2030. In this situation, if you want to enter this sector, in today's video, we have brought you the top 10 machines for you. Moreover, with the help of these machines, you can create quality products and establish your brand. Friends, before that, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. So come on, let's watch. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. First up, baby food making machine. Baby food making machine is a highly demanded machine. This machine is fully automatic, in which you can mix healthy grains like rice, corn, and wheat flour to make nutritious powder, purees, snacks, and instant food for babies. Then you can pack it hygienically and sell it in local grocery stores and baby specialty stores, or sell your products on online platforms like Amazon, IndiaMart, and Flipkart. Second is baby diaper making machine. The market for baby diapers is huge in India, and with the help of a diaper making machine, you can produce soft, hygienic, and leak-proof diapers. Small diaper machines are also a great investment, as these machines are small in size and they automatically produce diapers by combining absorbent pads with non-woven fabric. You can sell your diapers on your own website or on e-commerce platforms in specialty stores for young children and directly to customers. Number 3, baby wipes making machine. Baby wipes are in high demand in baby products. Yes, today baby wipes have become a daily necessity for every parent, and a wipes making machine allows you to cut large quantities of baby-safe, non-woven fabric rolls at a low cost and make wipes using water-based and aloe-based solutions in them. Then you can sell them in pharmacies, baby stores, and online markets by packaging them in a package. Number 4, baby soap making machine. There is always a demand for baby soap, and you can enter into a business with a baby soap making machine with a small investment. With the help of the machine, you can make a gentle, chemical-free and skin-friendly soap using natural oils and ingredients. Not only that, using this machine, you can make baby soaps in different scents, shapes, and sizes and sell them in specialty boutique stores, e-commerce sites, and local markets. Number 5, baby lotion and cream making machine. This machine is very useful for making baby lotions and creams, as it has a high quality mixing, heating, and emulsifying system, with which you can prepare moisturizing, skin softening, and hypoallergenic lotions and creams that are completely safe for babies' sensitive skin. You can then fill them into hygienic bottles or tubes and sell them online, in pharmacies, and in specialized baby stores. Number 6, baby shampoo and body wash making machine. The baby shampoo and body wash business is growing rapidly, and with the help of this machine, you can make and package mild, tear-free, and sulfate-free products. It mixes the right ingredients to make shampoo and body wash that is gentle and completely safe for baby's hair and skin, and fills them into bottles. You can then sell them to B2B online markets, pharmacies, and small grocery stores and make a good profit. Next is baby powder making machine. Baby powder is a necessity for every household, and the demand for talc-free baby powder is increasing. So you can make hygienic, chemical-free, and dermatologically tested baby powder with this baby powder making machine. Moreover, this machine automatically does the mixing, sieving, and packaging work. And then you can fill it into bottles or cartons and sell it online and in local stores. Number 8, baby clothing making machine. Baby clothing business is always a popular and in-demand item. So with the help of this baby clothing making machine, you can easily make baby clothes, washable nappies, swaddles, and rompers from cotton, organic fabric, and soft materials. Yes, this machine has high-quality cutting, stitching, and designing facilities. You can then sell your clothes on several online platforms or at local baby clothing stores. Number 9. Baby toy making machine. Friends, when it comes to toys for children, this market is always in demand and it is growing rapidly. In this situation, with the help of this baby toy making machine, you can make soft toys, teethers, rattlers, and other baby safe toys. However, you should use non-toxic materials and follow international safety standards. And then once you have made them, you can sell your toys online and in local toy stores. Number 10. Baby feeding bottle making machine. The baby milk bottle manufacturing business is very profitable because it is used by all the parents today and its demand in the market will continue. So with the help of this machine, you can make BPA-free, hygienic and durable baby milk bottles. It is made using safe and food-grade plastic or glass, which are always in demand in the market. Then you can sell your products in baby specialty stores, pharmacies and online as well. All the businesses listed above are part of the industry. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.